Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new, welcome. My name is Tariro and I like to do African print DIYs. So if you'd like to see how I made this necklace, then just keep on watching and let's get into the video. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. So those are the materials that I used for this DIY. I'm going to list everything in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So the first thing that I did was to cut the beaded necklace and then to separate all the beads, and I put them in the plate just to stop them from running around the table. And then I measured the largest bead that I had. It was 2.5 inches in circumference. And then I transferred that measurement onto my fabric, and I also made sure to leave about half an inch for the seam allowance. Now the length of this fabric will definitely depend on how many beads you intend to put in there. And then I folded it in half, and then I just sewed on the edge. I used 2 needles, and then I just sewed it onto the edge of the fabric strip just to make sure that it was secure. It was going to help me when I'm inserting the beads. And then I started putting in the beads, alternating. The other ones I was putting them inside, and then the other ones I was putting the fabric through. And this is where the needle comes in handy, because it helps to get the fabric through the bead.
Gênio de Malfoy.
And then towards the end, I inserted about 5 beads on each end. Then I doubled some thread, and then I just started tying those beads together to define them and separate them. And I also made sure to make a note every time I was moving on to the next bead. So you notice that the first one was a bit short, the second one a little bit longer, and the third one even longer than the first one, so that they can have a nice layering effect. So now I inserted these little clips at the end. There are so many ways that you can use to close this necklace, but I just chose this method because that is what I had. And there I was just using the candle to just sort of bend the ends and to prevent frayed edges.
Josh McMahon song.
So these are the jump rings that I used, and then I just inserted them on each of the little clips. And then lastly, I inserted a chain and a hook, and I used one jump ring to secure all the other jump rings together.
Hit sound.